Frequency modulation, FM, is a technique of modulating a carrier wave by varying its frequency in proportion to the amplitude of the input signal. It is widely used in radio broadcasting, telecommunications, and other wireless communication systems. Key concepts of FM modulation: carrier wave, a high-frequency signal that acts as a basis for transmitting the information. Modulating signal, the input signal that contains the information to be transmitted. Frequency variation, in FM, the amplitude of the modulating signal determines how much the carrier frequency deviates from its center, resting, frequency. How FM works: the frequency of the carrier wave changes according to the instantaneous amplitude of the modulating signal. If the amplitude of the modulating signal increases, the frequency of the carrier wave increases. If the amplitude decreases, the frequency of the carrier wave decreases. The amplitude of the carrier wave remains constant during this process, unlike in amplitude modulation, AM. Characteristics of FM deviation: the maximum frequency change from the carrier frequency is called the frequency deviation. Modulation index: the ratio of the frequency deviation to the modulating frequency determines the extent of modulation. Advantages of FM: better noise immunity. FM signals are less affected by noise and interference compared to AM. Improved sound quality: used in FM radio, it provides better audio quality. Constant amplitude: this allows FM to be more resilient against signal strength variations. Applications of FM. FM radio broadcasting, commonly used for high-fidelity audio transmission. Telecommunication, used in two-way radios and cell phones. Television broadcasting, for transmitting audio signals. Radar and navigation, utilized in certain radar and navigation systems. Example: if the carrier frequency is 100 MHz, and the modulating signal causes a maximum deviation of 75 kHz, the FM signal will oscillate between 99.025 MHz and 100.075 MHz, depending on the modulating signal. Methods of generating FM signal: 1. Indirect method, Armstrong. 2. Direct method.